It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. Almeric 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. In the CAF Champions League group stages, Mamelodi Sundowns on 4 points after winning and drawing their first 2 matches. Junior Kanya, what did you make of the game, sir?
My brother,
yes, sir.
To justice.
Easy.
Benedict Sofilangas. Buffett Gunjan keep on supporting Disc TV, fighting no one. Try to fix South African football. Yeah, compliment to this game, both teams. After a while, never saw Sundowns playing like this. It was not an easy game. These student teams, the team they beat Al Hilal, Nale Al Merrek, Merrek. Not easy to be beaten. Abatala home. So Ngulego go was came in. Compliment first of Sundowns whereby I love Sundowns the way we battle corner. My man of the match to this game is Andile Charlie. Being understand good why I'm keeper. I thought me Naxopumula Mshambe attack one, particularly in Sundowns. You don't have to check out the attack. Mshambe being Kabangutu Rivaldo, we being relax Apume. Because Andile Charlie is a man of the match. One of the best midfield I've ever witnessed with my eyes. Ukuba comfortable kanje udlala defensive midfield ngoba asiqala kule 3-4-3 bayidlala kule game 3-4-3 le dlala Sundowns at the back icover bo Onyango very well Andile Charlie distance at the back u start play iqala when they defend they need him ukhona you check him abadlala ngikhuluma ngespeed asebenzisa le energy engine is more imoto ingaba yinhlipendwe kahle ipamatara masha but the engine is not going to function. If you get Deben or whatever, he's not going to so Andile Charlie is starting point is Sundowns namhla into bekayenza. Uteruk is more comfortable, is like a midfield to me. Every time when he caught the ball he want Andile Charlie because he cannot share Nabo Onyango. He know what is a morph. Is not comfortable Onyango. Umpasa mangabe so good trouble with that clear. So namhla I think even was the strength each other. Credit to these coaches. Play million alama kembe wadlala cheaper ile Baroka. I was very disappointed. I know they won. They won against Chippa 3-0. They throw against Ibaroka. It was disappointing. Namhlanje into bebayenza. Identity I love. At the back, the Rook, I love the way he was doing Jobangish. Every time when he caught the ball, he want to Charlie start to play. He move with the ball udlala combine no rival until Mshishi drop makadlala more for number 10 Mshishi angithi badlala by is 2 anchors uCharlie is more box to box quick so rival more static so Charlie makaphethe ball Mshishi linka no Mshishi already attack seqalile when he attack iqalile Kurishko they play badlale I love this guy what his name the South American
Saavedra. It's a pity that he got injured so early. Yeah.
What I love, more dynamic, explosive kakuli nyawo, dynamic, she creates space. Lomchita begadlala front 3. Uyo Ralani on and off yesterday. Lomchita begadlala mo ucheka bekukuthi uRalani uka left yena uka right. But now, la kune space corner. He ran to those pockets. He knows football. And complicate izinto if it's one touch he creates space for some other people so bebashota ngoShalile today he got chance first touch Shalile first touch there's no footwork lapha ngikhuluma ngale bhola lika Rose liphumele ngaphandle nenifuna ushaya enyaweni why wenze le nto le he cannot score a goal more central phela goal leader we need to be honest and straightforward so ukuphuma kwalomchita lo kubalimaze kakhulu a guy mamlanda from outside the country must be like this liyangwenyalaza ibhola he is more I love him he Sundowns the way dlala ngakhona umshishi makaza from deep ngoba ungichaza ngani umshishi abadlali transition football bona badlala ngespeed umshishi delays if he's not on we'll care either creative foul and uCharlie uyamjoina he defense ipamnida mangabe mele azomaka for Rivaldo cause badlala nga3 ngitete back so the team into beyenza coach ukuthi expose la wing back but uCharlie lomchita lo Onyango beka side la right and then uDerek Mosef la left ngoba ulakhebe kanokuhamba but not that much uthi beba cover la side ni Charlie become a sweeper ngoba rival is more slow bekamdlula endleleni aphinde in terms of defender aphinde attack going to this team.
Yeah, I just wanted to say Guti Almeric, it's fair to say that they lost the first half. Sundowns was more dominant the first half, created opportunities. They should have scored 1 or 2 goals, but Almeric surprisingly the second half they upped their game, they upped their tempo, they had opportunities to shoot.
That's why standard of ETSTV Premiership Sundowns they will always win, because yes they look tiring. The team base, yes, even first half there was not that more dominant to Sundowns, but they played credit in terms of ball circulation to Sundowns, and speed was increased, but pin was low, but tempo by kupule by ihlisi.
Yeah,
the team second half thathi game ku Sundowns
for sure.
They show ngoba ukuphuma kwalomjita lo what is name Severtra ukuphuma kwakhe Sundowns now iqinile.
Yeah,
cause njoba ngisho beka lama pockets lawo beka wasebenzisa ene bekatata le pressure la imuva yonke iyala ikule team le defense yonke beka iqima whereby they need to be concerned. I defensive midfield yalabantu iqiniso mark izodeta baba yi5, so lengwenya mayimuva they create a chance not for him to score. That's why bobona abolo bawathola bona abo ushalile uralana lithola
Mutawa as well.
But Kurishe he played yabona mina when you do angisifeni ka Kurish, but no Onyango they play well today. We need to be honest, one Onyango is look umuntu heavy, but the recovery yakhe it was something else. These people when they tried to take him on he recover, they pity me recover now. Maganza well and then umdawu yes the lapho leshay phezulu lapha igolile. It goes umfana mela vusinhloko he must name, but he played well today. His speed sakhe ngikhuluma in terms of he's never been exposed that much, understanding your rule iphinde ngoba ras nkuleko le offensive pressure second half kula mbona khona ukuthi he's played well second half ebakuyi. And 1v1 lengwenya bekwazi ukuthila ngayo beyiphinde imshaya mangabe beza bayi2 cause bekungekho iwing le moto abadlala up front I think they were tired abo Goodman and stuff they drop le team beza kube 2v1 adile hambe ne run, and then this guy they forced to cross with the Ruka win. So the team lay credit to them ngoba bebafuna ukusebenzisa lama wing back in the middle, they're not spending time too much. Badlali two touch in the middle, wing back badlali wide. When they bring the ball Teruk was always ready, Nonyang was always ready. And goalkeeper, Nkulma Nonyang, both the goalkeeper and centre back. So, Bebafuna crosses, but Buanga Spani. And my crosses were our hand quick. Afloat.
Right.
So
it's going to be a difficult one. Last one from me to you. It's going to be a difficult group. Next week it's Al Ahly versus Mamelodi Sundowns. Al Ahly is Al Hilal. It was 0-0. Today it's 0-0 here. It's going to be a very difficult group to get out of for all teams. But fortunately for Sundowns, by winning the first match, and they got a point away from home. So they are the only team on 4 points, and then the rest of the other teams, back 1 point. Al Hilal, Al Ahly 1 point. Al Merrek as well on 1 point.
Yeah, a very difficult game kule konke umaprada. Ngoba iVAR Pitso knows how the Sundowns play. Though are new players, but tunengqondo ukuthi aburulani babuya kulesa sikolo. Yena uManqoba Mnqithi iskela sakhe, but obviously they've got that brain nabo baphiwe those guys. They will try yabona nama player ababringile the rest ama player alethwa yibo. So kule game there next week is not going to be easy. It's about like kuyoba iyo. You need a big heart. You want to compliment to Charlie. Big players babona ngama game so is a big player. Ngicela uxolo ukuthi bani uthini big player. Comfortable as a defensive midfielder is more comfortable than attacker. So kule game next week you win inhliziyo. Tactically in terms of ngoba mangibuyela la repeat game yabo. I was not convinced. I love upithu team yakhe more fluid, they were not fluid. That team Al Hilal they were coming to Gupito. And tactically, yes, compliment to him, team more structured. They nearer to each other, and now the trade the back in the middle, in Kulmanga Labanda by 4. But Agna space, the space I was told the middle. At the back shaky, but the middle the space I was told. It's team in the middle. Up front, not clinical. It doesn't have players who are explosive up front. Udlala ngamo impact naye. I think wing back right you most badlala ngayo ngikhuluma ngeAl Ahly, but in terms of dominant kule game ezolo was very disappointed watching. So izoba nzima kakhulu game next.
There you go. That it's very rare that I will say a beautiful 0-0 or an exciting 0-0, but it was really, there was so many opportunities in this game. It's a pity that there was no goal scored, because it's not nice to watch a 0-0 game, but it really was a quality match. Diski TV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.